Imagine a world where China challenges the US in the race for artificial intelligence supremacy. This isn't a distant future, it's happening now. While global attention has been on US giants like OpenAI and Google, Chinese tech titans like Alibaba and Tencent have quietly launched their own AI models. China's ambitions to lead in AI add a new dimension to its tech battle with the US, heating up the race like never before. Generative AI, like OpenAI's ChatGPT, can create text, images, and videos from user prompts. Chinese firms are now stepping into this arena with powerful models. Baidu's Ernie Bot, with 300 million users, aims to rival ChatGPT, boasting capabilities on par with OpenAI's GPT-4. Alibaba's Tongyi Qianwen, or Qwen, offers various models for tasks from content creation to solving math problems, and is already used by over 90,000 enterprises. Tencent's Hunyuan model excels in Chinese language processing and logical reasoning, supporting industries from gaming to e-commerce. Huawei's Pang models target specific industries like government and finance, with impressive feats like predicting typhoon trajectories in seconds. ByteDance, the owner of TikTok, entered the AI race with Dubao, offering capabilities like voice generation and coding at a competitive price. As China's tech giants continue to innovate, the AI landscape is set for a thrilling showdown. Stay tuned as the battle for AI dominance unfolds.